Oh. Hey guys, my name is Navira Burns and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am, oh my god, you literally are like just very serious. Hey guys, my name is Sophia Burns and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to do a what's on my iPhone video. I'm going to do a what's on my iPhone video. If you don't know what's a what's on my iPhone video, it's practically in the title. So like, if you don't know, how do you not know? So I'm going to do a screen record on my phone. So the screen record should be like right over there. Yeah, be like somewhere like right over there. And yeah, so when you first get started, you have all the apps, you know, FaceTime, calendar, photos. It goes like all the apps that already come with the phone, and then when you slide over, you see all that. And then when you slide over, everything that's still there, tips. I've never really actually been on tips, but you know. And then podcasts, where you can search up podcasts. Find iPhone, find friends, contacts, files, watch, and whatever the other files are, all the way up to iTunes and everything. iTunes U. And then here's all my downloads. So I have Snapchat, and if you wanna, you can see me. Wanna follow me on Snapchat? That's my Snapchat. And then Treble is another music app for me. It's like, it just where I keep my music. It's like one of the apps I use for music. And then YouTube, of course, Instagram. If you wanna follow me on Instagram, there's my Instagram, you know. I'm kind of active on there too. And then YouTube TV is just like, it's just an app where you can see everything that's on TV. Like what's playing now on TV, you can see that on YouTube TV. And then Gmail, and then TikTok, which I don't really use. And then Voice is basically another Gmail app. It's like a Hangouts, so that I can like keep in contact with like my parents because they have Androids and everything. And then Google Duo, just like a FaceTime, but you can FaceTime people who have Google, who have an Android. And then Crossy Road, you know, just another game. I don't know why that's not in my games, but you know, Crossy Road actually kind of fun. Like that's my game. Like I usually just be like, I just keep playing this game out of nowhere. Okay, and then you have Wattpad, which is just like an app. Like it's just an app. You can read on there. It's like an online book thing. One of my friends, when I was at Beta Convention, told me that she was reading this book, and I was like, what app is it on? And she was like, it's on Wattpad. So I downloaded it and started reading the book that she was reading. It was actually really good. And then I have a folder called Binge Watch, and where I have Hulu and Netflix, and I downloaded Hulu recently just so I could get like my old shows. Just so I could get my old shows. Like Hulu, right now I'm binge watching Big Time Rush because like that was my show back when I was younger. And then Netflix, right now I'm watching my kid movies I used to watch. And then I have games. Dub Smash really isn't a game, but. And then Pin Run, Smash Hit, Table Tennis, Fortnite, or Drive and Park, and Fruit Ninja. And then I have Spotify. So guys, that is the end of this what's on my iPhone video. I know I don't really have a lot on my iPhone, but like literally, I use my iPhone all the time. Like I'm always on it. It might, like you might be like, oh yeah, she barely even has anything, but like I I use it every day. So like, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment for more. And also I know I'm posting like really late. I'm gonna start posting every Friday. Thursdays are kind of like weird for me because because I'm in school right now, all my tests start on Thursday. Like all my tests, because I'm in 7th grade. When I was in 6th grade, my tests used to always be on Friday, but all my tests start on Thursday. So posting on Thursday is kind of like a bit of a problem because I have to study. Well, I don't even know how to like say that. Like, yeah, that doesn't even make sense. So my tests are on Thursday, but I usually try to help and prepare my tests on Wednesday, but I can't do that if I'm studying on Thursday. But when I get back, sometimes I have stuff. So I have tests all throughout. Like I have tests on Thursdays and sometimes Fridays. And sometimes it can be on Thursday and sometimes it can be on Fridays. So when I'm on Thursday and I have tests on Friday, I'm stuck studying on a test for Friday. And then Wednesday, I'm studying for a test on Thursday, which is why some of the times I'm posting on Thursday. But I'm gonna now start posting on Friday because it's easier for me, because then the weekend is when I can post. So if that makes any sense, I'm gonna start posting on Friday, if that makes sense. And I hope everyone had a great Valentine's Day, Friendship Day. I hope everyone enjoyed that. I was supposed to post on that day, but I didn't. I also tried out for volleyball, so I was trying to like stuck on trying out. I didn't make team, but I was like trying out on Thursday. It went from like 6. So I'm back now, guys, and I will see you guys next Friday. Peace.